Assalamu alaikum. These are international news and I am Madiha Saeed. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. Police in Myanmar, known as Burma, have filed several charges against the elected civilians leaders Aung San Suu Kyi following Monday's military coup. She has been remanded in custody until 15th February. COVID-19 study showing Oxford's vaccinations shows virus spreads per result that show the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccines may reduced. The spread of coronavirus have been hailed as absolutely by the health secretary. Australian Open players to go into isolations after hotel coronavirus case. Between 500 and 600 Australian Open players, officials and support staff will go into isolations after a worker at one of the event's quarantine hotels tested positive of coronavirus. Kamal Ahmadi, British academic facing jail, escape Iran over mountains. A British Iranian academic facing 9 years in jail in Iran has told the BBC how he escaped on foot over mountains to start a new life in the UK. India has excused foreign individuality and celebrities of sensationals after a tweet by pop superstars. Rihanna extending support to protesting farmers drew global attention.